This is a compound crusher, wheel mixer, and check rod machine. Now let's see how do the three machines work. First, put the raw materials into the inlet of the compound crusher. The raw materials will be crushed into fine powder in the chamber, and the fine powder will be discharged at the bottom of the crusher. The crusher is driven by the electric motor through the belt. This is the whole structure of the crusher. This is the raw material and the fine powder. Put the fine powder into the wheel mixer. Add some binder. Add some water. Then the wheel mixer will stir for 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture of the coal, binder, and water be mixed very evenly. We can discharge the mixture of them into a bucket. Then put the mixtures of them into the inlet of the check rod machine. Then the mixture will be extruded through the auto cutter will cut the rod at a fixed length. The length of the check rod can be adjusted, and the shape of the check rod can be customized. Welcome to consult and purchase.